How to make your home look expensive on a budget. Want a luxe home without breaking the bank? Discover affordable decorating tips and tricks to make your home look expensive on any budget. Luxury isn't about money. A polished, expensive-looking home isn't about spending thousands on designer furniture. It's about creating spaces that feel intentional, cohesive, and well-styled. The truth is, with the right approach, you can give your home a high-end look using affordable pieces and a few smart design tricks. Let's explore practical, budget-friendly ways to make your home look expensive, from choosing the right paint colors to styling with accessories. But before we begin, a warm, heartfelt welcome to sweet Magnoliaa, your go-to for everything cozy, curated, and beautifully lived in. One, master the power of paint. Paint is the quickest, most affordable way to transform your space. A fresh coat in the right shade can make even the simplest room feel luxurious. Stick to neutrals, soft whites, warm beiges, and muted grays create a timeless backdrop. Go bold strategically. A deep navy or rich forest green accent wall can add drama without overwhelming. Matte finishes. Flat or eggshell paints tend to look more refined than high gloss on large walls. Two, declutter and edit. Nothing makes a home feel cheap faster than clutter. Luxury is all about space and balance. Keep surfaces clean, avoid overloading shelves and tables. Edit ruthlessly, keep only meaningful or beautiful objects on display. Storage solutions, baskets, ottomans, and hidden organizers keep mess out of sight. Three, upgrade your lighting. Lighting is a game changer. Swap out builder-grade fixtures for stylish alternatives. Mix sources. Use floor lamps, table lamps, sconces, and overhead lights for layers. Warm bulbs. Choose soft white bulbs, 2700K, 3000K, for a cozy, expensive glow. Statement fixtures. Even budget chandeliers or pendant lights can look luxe with the right design. 4. Style with textiles. Affordable textiles can instantly elevate a room. Throw pillows, mix patterns and textures, but stick to a cohesive palette. Curtains, hang them high and wide to make windows look larger. Linen or velvet dupes always look more expensive than polyester sheers. Rugs, use oversized rugs to anchor spaces. Layer a patterned rug over a neutral base for depth. Five. Add architectural details, on a budget. You don't need a contractor to add character. Molding and trim. Peel and stick molding strips create instant elegance. Painted doors and baseboards. Contrasting trim adds sophistication. Ceiling medallions. Inexpensive options from hardware stores can make light fixtures pop. Six. Incorporate metallic accents. A touch of shine feels high-end, but less is more. Brass or gold handles. Swap dated hardware on cabinets or drawers. Mirrored trays. Style coffee tables or vanities with candles and accessories. Framed mirrors. Oversized mirrors with metallic or black frames double as art. Seven. Invest in statement pieces, and save elsewhere. You don't need every piece of furniture to be expensive, just one or two hero pieces per room. A dramatic headboard in the bedroom. A chic coffee table in the living room. A vintage sideboard styled beautifully. Balance them with budget-friendly basics from IKEA, Target, or thrift stores. Eight. Use art like a designer. Bare walls can make a home feel unfinished. But luxury doesn't mean expensive art. Large-scale pieces. One oversized artwork often looks more elegant than many small ones. Gallery walls, curated frames in similar finishes create cohesion. DIY or digital prints, downloadable art with quality frames equals instant polish. Nine, greenery adds life. Plants instantly make a space feel styled and fresh. Real plants if possible, a fiddle leaf fig or snake plant feels sculptural. Faux plants done well, high-quality faux greenery in ceramic pots looks chic. Branches. A large vase of branches from outside can rival designer florals. Ten, scent sets the mood. Luxury isn't only visual, it's sensory. The right scent makes a home feel expensive. Candles in minimalist jars. Reed diffusers with subtle scents. Simmer pots with citrus, cinnamon, and cloves. Luxe living for less. An expensive-looking home isn't about money, it's about thoughtful choices. By focusing on color, lighting, textiles, statement pieces, and editing clutter, you can create a space that feels curated and sophisticated without overspending. With these tips, your home will not only look more polished but will also feel intentional, welcoming, and timeless. So, go ahead, add that velvet pillow, swap your light fixture, and hang those curtains high. Your home deserves to shine, even on a budget. For more affordable design inspiration and cozy styling tips, subscribe to Sweet Magnoliaa Living. If something in this video made you smile or sparked an idea, give it a like, drop a little love in the comments, and subscribe so we can keep creating together.